Hi everyone, it's Jaleesa from Gate 39 Media, and today I'll be covering 7 strategies to help you optimize your website for voice search. Voice search strategy number 1, answer the question and keep it short. Here's another interesting fact. Google tends to answer voice queries with results that are 30 words or less. So if you can distill your answers into bite-sized chunks, all the better. Frequently asked question pages are a good place to start too. FAQs are about answering specific questions in the most concise way possible, so the two go hand in hand. For example, say you had an FAQ like, what are the margin requirements for trading futures contracts? If you can answer that question in 30 words or less, and if you're optimizing for snippets and thinking along these lines, you're in the zone. Statistically, more than 40% of voice search results come from a featured snippet. Plus, voice assistants like Alexa and Siri only give you one answer, so if you're not focusing on this strategy, you're not going to rank. Voice search strategy number 2, use natural language. Work your key phrases and long-tail keywords into your content naturally. Steer clear of terms that sound robotic or that don't flow with the text. Google's not looking for an exact match. Remember, it's pretty good at determining context and relevance. So the concept of more is better doesn't really apply. If the phrase is relevant, even if it only makes up a small portion of your copy, Google will find it, serve it up, and highlight it on the page so that the user can find it easily. Voice search strategy number 3, use filler words. Unlike keyword strategies of yore, which depended on an exact match of clunky sounding robotic words, today's search engines favor natural language. So it's okay to use filler words between the key terms because it makes the content flow better. Plus, since people are using filler words when they launch a voice search, it's a closer match. Voice search strategy number 4, avoid jargon. Shoot for a 9th grade or lower readability in your content. The clearer your writing is, the higher it will rank for voice search. Voice search strategy number 5, optimize page load speed. Since voice searches are lightning fast, it stands to reason that your website should load quickly too. Page speed is a significant ranking factor in mobile searches anyway, so it's a good idea to check your load speed to see how your site stands up. Voice search strategy number 6, build domain authority. There's really no statistical corroboration on this other than experienced results. Still, Google tends to deliver voice search results from authoritative domains. Try it and see. Voice search strategy number 7, more content is better. The point is more about the law of averages, but consider this. The longer your page content is, the more opportunity you have to include additional key phrases. More matches equal more hits, it's that simple. Of course, there are plenty more tips where these came from, but hopefully this is enough to get you thinking about how you can optimize your financial website for voice search. If you need help with this, Gate 39 Media is always ready to help. Reach out today and let's talk.